Hey, second grade, happy Wednesday. All right, so what you see on the screen are the materials you are going to need today. You are going to need your animal research report outline that you filled in yesterday using Pebble Go. And then you're going to need to go into your work folder and find the piece of paper that says Animal Research Report Template. And you're going to need your pencil. So go ahead and hit pause and go grab those two pieces of paper and your pencil and then come back. All right, now that you have your materials, today what you're going to do is you are going to use the paper here on the left that you created yesterday using Pebble Go to write your animal report. Okay, so you're going to start by just filling in these few blanks. All right, and you're just going to continue to go down as you go. So you're going to use your animal facts sheet to help you write your report right over here on that blank piece of paper that says Animal Research Report Template. So it starts the sentences for you. You're simply finishing them using your research from yesterday. So the first one says, my animal is a blank. You're just going to put your animal name there, which is why I have koala. My animal is a koala. It is a blank. A koala is a mammal. If you chose a reptile or an amphibian or a fish, whatever you chose, you're going to fill that kind of animal in there. Its habitat is I put eucalyptus tree because that is the habitat of the koala bear. It eats eucalyptus leaves and gets water from them too. That was something that I read. Even though that wasn't on my sheet, I remember reading that on Pebble Go, that it eats the eucalyptus leaves, and when it eats those leaves, it also gets water from them. So even though I didn't have that on my sheet, I thought that would be something to add in to my report. And I did that only because I know I read it. I went to Pebble Go and I found it there. You're not putting in information that you think you know about your animal. When I look at your report, I should be able to go to Pebble Go and find every piece of information on Pebble Go. So that was on there. That's why I added that in. It looks like it looks like a small bear with gray fur, because that is what a koala bear looks like. It moves by climbing trees. Again, I don't really have that anywhere on my research report, but I read that on Pebble Go, so I can put that in there. It moves by climbing trees. It grips branches tightly. It told me that in my research on Pebble Go. Some interesting facts about this animal are, this is where you're going to use those 3 interesting facts about your animal at the bottom of your research from yesterday. So mine says, some interesting facts about this animal are, it is the size of a jelly bean when it's born. Koalas sleep 18 hours a day. The word koala means does not drink. And then the last part is you're going to tell us why you chose that animal. I chose this animal because I wanted to learn about an animal from a different country. So that's why I chose koala. That's what you're doing today. You're taking your information that you wrote down and information that you read yesterday, and you're going to fill in your report today. And you're going to do it neatly because this is going to be your report. So you're going to write it neatly, and this is going to be your final report. We are not rewriting these. So what you write today is going to be your animal report. Okay. So you're just going to, I know what else I was going to tell you. I lost my train of thought there for a minute. You're going to have your papers in front of you. You might want to pull up Pebble Go again and pull your animal up just to have a little bit more information there as you fill in your template. Remember, we've talked about this before. I want you to think in your head right now. If you see a sentence on Pebble Go, can you take that sentence word for word exactly how it is and write it in your report that way? Can you do that? No, you cannot. We've talked about that. That means plagiarism, and that is not okay to do because that's just copying someone else's work. So you can have Pebble Go up and you can use that information, but you need to take it, understand it, and then tell us it in your own words. So you're going to use Pebble Go and your template of facts from yesterday to write your report today. and then take a picture of it and send it to me. Okay, you're going to do this today, and then tomorrow you're going to do the illustration, and on Friday we're going to put it all together and do a title for it. Have a good day.